The annual national budget in the Philippines is not just a spreadsheet of numbers, it is a law called the General Appropriations Act, or GAA. The process begins when the president submits the National Expenditure Program and the budget of expenditures and sources of financing to Congress. In the House of Representatives, the Committee on Appropriations holds extensive hearings where agencies defend their budgets. The bill then goes to the plenary for debates and amendments before final approval. Next, the Senate Finance Committee reviews the measure, conducts its own hearings, and prepares the Senate's version. After plenary debates and voting, the Senate passes its version of the General Appropriations Bill. Because the House and Senate almost always approve different versions, a bicameral conference committee is formed to reconcile discrepancies. The Bicam prepares a report that must be ratified by both chambers without further changes. The enrolled bill is then transmitted to Malacanang for presidential action. The president can sign it into law, veto specific items, or allow it to lapse into law after 30 days. Once enacted, the General Appropriations Act serves as the government's legal authority to spend public funds for the year. This is how the NEP evolves into the GAA, a process that reflects checks and balances, political negotiation, and the power of the purse.